just got to our hotel, Katla Island Hotels. Gonna freshen up and head over to Davis's family's house. We getting ready to eat some hot pot. Alright, in Kappa, my sister signed us up for a tour. Got this for the next like 6 hours. Stay tuned. Kayaking. There's my sister being lazy. She's got the tour guide kayaking by himself. Classic. We're in a cave. Sitting on the kayak, just went through a cave. We're in a little cove type area. There is my dad, stepmom. There's my nephew. What? Whew, I'm out of shape. Hey Twee, how does it feel to be dead weight? How does it feel to be dead weight? This goes in the vlog for sure. Bah, bah, bah. Paddle this. All that paddling she did, she's KO'd. Wait, she didn't paddle.
He's diving in. It's a big splash.
Oh God. I don't think it's warm anymore.
He lied. Ruben lied. A flip and we'll see if I can pull out of the flip properly. I'm thinking back flop, belly flop. I think you're better off trying to back flip than front flip. 1.5?
Are you okay?
Face flop. Face flop shoulder. 7 out of 10. But I didn't lose my contacts. Where are we going, Twee?
Monkey Island.
Monkey Island. No feeding them, stay 3 meters away. Apparently they're quite aggressive. We are on Monkey Island, walking through a trail. I'm exhausted. I'm already tired. Way out of shape. Whew.
How's it?
This is a trail.
I don't know how to monkey.
All right, we're at the top. Whew. We did it. We did it. That's it. That's where we came from. Look at those little lemmings. Ants down there. Ants. Our tour. And when the tour guy says don't feed monkeys, what do?
You feed the monkeys.
we doing a nighttime walk. That's my awesome niece. Say hi.
Hi.
Don't mind her.
Oh, wow.
We are on a speedboat leaving Katba, headed to Phoung. Nothing really happened yesterday. Everyone kind of went to bed at 9, which made it hard for me to go out and do anything by myself. So, yeah. All right, we are in Phoung. We are at our hotel. This is our hotel room. No separate shower stall, but actually pretty nicely done up washroom. We've got our sleeping area.
Right in front of the sign.
Twin beds. We are right in front of the sign. We have a mini balcony. Not much of a view. But hey, what do you expect for X dollars? Don't know what it is. I'll post it right here. I think right here. Yeah, you might see the price down here. But not a bad room. We're tired. We just want to rest and then go eat tons of food that's been recommended by our good friend Phoung. We are about to eat, try some local regional dishes. This is where we are. Davis made this recommendation, but we're going to try and get some noodles of some sort and some different style spring roll. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what's the verdict?
It's really good.
Is it really good? Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Has Davis redeemed? When it rains, it pours, and out come Teletubbies.
Rocking it, Vietnam style.
Twee wants to walk through a market, so that's what we're doing. We're walking through a market. Not my cup of tea, but that's what she wants to do. Alright, so after seeing the dog meat in the market no one else wanted to eat, we ended up eating that bread and what is that? Cow head?
Like the laughing cow cheese.
Then we realized there was a food court upstairs and fried chicken. Why not try it? We're at a Jollibee. We want to see what this compares like to a KFC. Let's dig in. All right, let's go. Let's take a bite. I mean, it seems crispy.
Yeah.
Kind of like a Popeye's crispy.
It's really crispy.
Let's do it. Greasy.
Yeah. That's bad. I mean, the grease.
Batter,
Also, kind of bland.
batter's got no flavor.
Yeah. Alright, well.
Well, the chicken died for us, so we might as well eat it. It's this or the dog. You're welcome. Not good. I wouldn't eat it. Paid $60,000 for it. We are on the airplane headed back to Ho Chi Minh from Phoung. We didn't do anything yesterday because Janie got scared after she saw the dog meat. MTV Cribs episode. We're back in Saigon. We got an Airbnb. There's $100 a night. 3 bedrooms, can sleep 8. $100. So imagine coming here with a bunch of people. This could cost you like 10, 12 bucks a night. In a pretty good area. Here's one room. Walking over, here's another hidden bedroom. Here's a bedroom. Here's San.
Hi, me again.
3 bathrooms, so pretty solid. Main, master. Pretty good deal. Westernized kind of washroom. Pretty good deal, $100. All right, we're at a place called Baimong. Beef 7 ways. My sister ordered 2 of them. San, our newscaster, is gonna give us play-by-plays on what this is. What's the first dish?
First dish is vinegar hot pot. This is the hot pot.
So you
Dip the beef
Cool
into the
chưa?
vinegar and
để
then
lâu
cook.
hay sao á?
We eat.
Tell us about the sauce.
Sauce. Mắm. Big mắm.
We've had a little bit to drink already.
San làm đi.
First thing to do is you dip the beef in, and once you get your beef, what do you got, San?
So I got some beef.
Beef?
Mắm cát đi em.
It's cooked.
Boom.
Then
Kêu cái mắm cát cho ba đi.
rice paper.
Cay quá hả?
All right, tell me what's happening. Loading it up with greens.
I'm gonna grab some onions that's already in
Oh,
here.
some onions.
Some tripe.
Right? And it shows how our professional rolls it. That's like Leo's roll. Oh my god.
Ta-da!
Oh my god.
Square.
It's a square.
All I see is beef.
How
Trong mấy mắm nêm cát. Mắm nêm.
is it? And this is only one way so
Look
far?
at this. This is the second.
All right, we got 4 more ways. What is this?
This is with a noodle, a crystal noodle or glass noodle.
So it's
This
like a
one has,
meatloaf?
yeah, it's
Like
a
a
meatloaf.
beef loaf?
It's like an omelet.
One wrapped in leaf,
Yeah, this is just like grilled.
grilled.
This one is wrapped in a leaf, lalo. This one, I don't know. I don't know what it
What's
is.
that one, Dad?
And then this one is just like a cookie, fried. What is it? Bánh đa. Bánh tráng.
Fried bánh tráng.
Rice paper,
Bánh
bánh
đa.
đa. Oh, bánh đa.
Cái này là bánh tráng này, cái đó bánh đa.
And then we got this one right here.
What's that?
Looks like it's just a piece of meat.
So that's
Oh.
that is my attempt at a roll. Hold that, Leo.
It's not even a roll, man.
It's gonna be a roll. Boom. Give it a wrap around.
Oh no, my leaf.
Look at that.
It's gone.
I think that's a better attempt than Santa and Leo.
Let's see. A little bit. Full
Kill
bit.
Oh, full bite. Okay.
Go, eat it.
Okay.
It is, yeah.
I'm using the fish sauce because I don't like the other sauce.
Ooh. How'd you feel about that?
I put a lot in here, a lot of different textures. I like it. Is a beef noodle soup thingy. No idea. Let's taste it.
Oh my god, Mom, how do you feel about that baby constantly crying behind you on the plate? That baby that was crying behind you.
A little weird.
You had your headphones on. It was annoying. Sitting next to me out there, I found it really annoying.
I honestly don't like it. San seems to like it, but she's been hungry for the last 12 hours, so can't really take her judgment properly. Yeah, that was my reaction.
What the heck?
Yeah, San, you suck. There's a reason we
I have-
fired you. That's San on an Uber motorcycle. I know most of you are gonna judge me on this, but I obviously stopped at a McDonald's to get a Big Mac. Gotta see if it's the same. I mean, it looks the same, it smells the same. Got my fries here as well. Plop that in. Taste the fries first. It tastes the same to me. I can't taste the difference. Take a look at this Big Mac. I mean, my bun is stuck to the box, which already a red flag. Look at that, brutal. Cheese, I mean, it looks the same. One way to find out. There is a difference. It's not the mac sauce. The mac sauce is the same. I think it's the pickles. Yeah, I think it's just the pickle. Man, this took me way too long to eat. All right, I'm at the airport in Ho Chi Minh. I'm not going to show you guys the flight back. You guys got the flight here. This is probably my final entry, and I had a Burger King craving, and guess who I bumped into? Bam! Don't mind her. She's headed to Bangkok, so she'll have fun, and I'll be home soon. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gone.